Good day, guys. Good day, everyone. So, right here is my account. For those who have been having issues with Amazon KDP blocking your account, I'm here to actually profile a solution. Something I've done, I've tried, I've worked it out, and it's worked for me. Now, here, this is my account, and these are the books I published recently. So these books were published. So you can see the dates. This one was published on 17th of May, and then this one was published again on 17th of May, and then this one was published again on the 18th of May. And you can see the Kindle is now live, while the paperback is in review. Why this other one, the Kindle is live and the paperback is publishing. So you can see um this this is to show you that there's actually a method, okay? Because previously I published these same books on my other account, which you can see, and it didn't live. You can see the books were blocked. You can see them, the books were blocked. So but then I had to do this method. I had to try this method. I found out this method. I had to try it, and then you can see these books are being published right now. So what's this method? The secret is to create a Kindle Vella account. So right here I'll be showing you how to create this Kindle Vella account, how you can set it up and everything, so that you too can publish your books and solve this issue of Amazon blocking books and the rest. So if this is going to be helpful for you, sit tight while I explain. I take you through, I guide you on how I was able to do this and get this book published. Okay, right, let's dive right in. Okay, so this is how I was able to set it up. See, this is how I was able to set up a Kindle Vella account. Okay, so I had to get the Brave browser. What the browser I use for this is Brave, so you can download any other browser, probably Kiwi, Chrome, or any other browser. But please, if you're creating an account, important thing I have to say is, if you're creating an account, please make sure that you are not using your device, the device that you're using for your previous account. Okay, please try and get another device. Okay, so what I actually have to do is this on this device that I'm using to make this tutorial. I have not created a former account on it. Okay, so I have been using my smartphone. So please make sure you get a new device for it. Okay, so you can probably get somebody related to you or somebody close, get the person's device and create the account, and then probably when you want to publish, you can come to your device and use the private window or something like that. Yeah, so but then please, a separate device will be really advisable for this. So also what you have to do is go to a private tab. I had to go to a private tab so that I could at least hide some things. Okay, so IP and everything, but at least I could stay anonymous, okay, a little, so that I could create this Kindle Vella account. So for those who don't know how to create a Kindle Vella account, that's why I'm taking all these procedures. So what you have to do is go to KDP dot Amazon Amazon.com. Okay, so I want to show you how you can, the steps to creating a Kindle Vella account. So first of all, what you have to do is, for you have to just click on join KDP. That's what you're going to do. So you're going to fill all these. For me, I'm not going to be creating a new account. Okay, so I've already created an account on this device. I'm not going to be creating any account again because I really take this Amazon as a side business, as a serious business. So after doing this, you click on create your KDP account. Now there is something that is going to happen after filling all this, and you go to the next part. So they're going to ask you to input your number, the number for them to send you an OTP. So what you have to do is you have to change that to you have to change that so that you have to change it so that you don't get to receive OTP in your number. You get to receive OTP in your authenticator app. Okay, so let me show you how that is done by signing in. So I'm just going to sign in right now because I have an account here already. So I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so now you can see that this, you can see how I was able to do this. So this, there's a way I was able to do this so that anytime I want to sign in, they just send the OTP to my authenticator app. They don't ask me, they don't show me sending OTP to a number or something like that. Yeah, so the to set that up, what you have to do is you have to, let me first of all enter the the OTP here. So let me check. So okay, so I'm going to sign in now. So this is my own account. So what you have to do is, after you clicking on create account, you fill in those details, your email, your password. They're going to require you to impute a number. So don't impute any number, just leave it at US. Don't impute any number. What you have to do is just go to another tab, create another tab, and go to amazon.com. So this is where you're going to um this is where you're going to solve that issue. So come to this part where you see hello account and list. So once you click on that, you're going to come into login and security. So once you come to login and security, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see, you can see that I have not added any primary mobile number for them to send any OTP. Okay, so once you come to this place, two-step verification, yours will be showing setup just like these other ones. To be showing setup, so you just click it and then you set it up. You're going to be required to download an authenticator app on your smartphone. So download an authenticator app on your smartphone, you scan it, then you set it up. Okay, really quick, you set it up. So back to my account. Now how do you now, first of all, after creating this account, you will not see this Kindle Vela, it will just be normal. Yeah, it will be normal. So I want to show you how you are going to set it up to be Kindle Vela. Okay, so what you're going to do is, you're going to see in your own, is going to be showing for you to update details, because you just created, you've not filled in your profile, the bank details, and the tax. So for me, I have done that, so I'm going to go to my account. So for you, what is going to be showing is here, all these things are going to be blank. Okay, so what you're going to do is, you're going to business type individual, this is my legal name, and then the address. So what you're going to do to make this a Kindle Vela is that you're going to use US address. Okay, so the address you're using is US. So what you're going to do is, you can go to a place like calculator 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 mix, I think so, calculatormix.com. Okay, you can go to calculatormix.com. Once you come to the calculatormix.com, you can just search for, so let me just do this, address random address US USA. So let's just search for that. So you can see this. So once you come here and click on this random US address, you can see all these are random US address, and all these are to an extent very real. Yeah, so that's why I had to use this one. Okay, so that the address is something you can find on Google. Okay, please, the address is something you can find on Google. So just take one of these and then fill it. That's it. So once you fill it, you fill all the details. So for you, for instance, okay, for instance, let me just, so yours is going to be showing the country is US, the address, you fill in the city, the state, and the postal code. So you just fill that in, make sure that everything is US. So and then you look for a US number. So you cannot download one of these virtual SIM app on Play Store, Dington, or any other one, and then you don't pay for the number. You're not paying, just get the number and just fill it. You're not doing anything with it, just get the US number and fill it. You can also find sites on that too that give this number. So just fill it. So and then you fill in your bank details. Okay, you know how to fill that, you should know how to fill that. But if you don't know how to fill that, you can comment, you can drop a comment and I'll drop a video on how to create either a gig pay or a gray account. Okay, so by now you should have created a gig pay or a gray account. So what I actually had to do is I didn't use my own details. Okay, so I had to create this account with a details of a separate person that who doesn't have an account on Amazon. This person doesn't have any account on Amazon, so I had to get her details, create an account, and gig pay and everything. So this account is new and nothing linking this to my previous account so that it doesn't get terminated. So you can see right here, you fill in your tax information. If you want me to show you how to be able to fill in your tax information so that you can be getting zero withdrawing tax. Okay, so what this means is that normally when you fill this, for those who don't know, when you fill this, um um Nigeria, as a Nigerian, the 30% is being taken away. So let's say for instance you have a withdrawing rate of 30%. So let's say for instance you earn $1,000, about $300 will be taken away, will be withdrawn, and then you'll be paid $700. Okay, so to make this 0%, there's a way you can do this. So if you don't know how to do that, you can just drop a comment on the comment section, and then I'll do a video on how to do this 0%. You are not going to pay any dime. I did this all for free, like that, you get. So once you're done filling all this, you click save, and once you save, you would see that your account would have been upgraded to a Kindle Vella account. So what you do is you go on and take those books and come here and publish them. Okay, so you can see that those books that were rejected on my former accounts are now live here. So if you follow all the steps, then it should be good to go. So if you found this helpful, please like and share this video so that others who are having issues with this Amazon blocking of the thing can actually get to rectify it and get their life back on track, because so many people depend on this. Okay, especially at this period in time. So, and please turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel for more information, because I'm going to be dropping more infos as I continue to chat methods that will work on this Amazon KDP. Thank you very much.